So no matter how many ad groups or keywords you have got, whether you've got a few or a few hundred or a few thousand, it really doesn't matter. Filter will help you filter out all the noise from your data and just get your focus on the metrics which are important to you. So you can use filters at the campaign level, ad group, ads, keywords, search queries, or wherever you see the filter in the interface, you can use throughout that interface. But these are the 5 main places which you will use it. So how to use it, when to use it. So let's say you need to find a batch of keywords which you may think are underperforming or are performing very well and may need your attention to either bid up or bid down. Let's say you want to find out some low performing keywords. For example, the CTR is less than a certain amount, or you want to find out all the low volume keywords in your account, and you might have dozens of campaigns and hundreds of ad groups with potentially thousands of keywords. You don't want to go through shifting them through each page at a time, because you will get lots of page numbers at the bottom of the screen. So you can filter those out easily. Or you can also use filters at the ads stage, where you can see how the ads are performing, or have they been disapproved, and what you can do to make them right. Or any non-performing campaigns, ad groups, keywords, as I said earlier on, or high performers or low performers, at any stage of your account. So how you set these up is, on this screenshot, I'm at the account level. So you'll see next to where you got either you got all enabled or whatever the status you've got. Next to that, you get this little link called Add Filters or Add Filter. Then all you do is you click on that. From the drop down, you can select whatever you are looking for. So let's say I want to search for all the campaigns which contains or does not contain. You have this drop down and you can choose whatever you want. Let's say brand. I want to just focus on all my branded campaigns. So I can quickly filter out all the non-branded campaigns and apply this filter to it, and then I can work on those campaigns. At the ad group level, as you can see over here, I've got a fair few number of ad groups, 375. So it will be quite a time-consuming task to go through all of them. So I can quickly filter out the most relevant ones for me. So let's say, for argument's sake, I want to find out all my ad groups which have got a cost per conversion of less than $100. Then I can get that data very easily and quickly. And on the next screen over here, so now I can see all my cost per conversions which are less than 100, and then I can sort them out by my cost per conversion column, and I can see now the most expensive one is starting at 99, 98, and so on. And now I can make my bid adjustments or work on these ad groups or keywords, whatever you are looking at. And I know that these are all my better performing ones because they are less than my target CPA, or whatever your target CPA is. You can put that number in, and then you can either look into these accounts and say, okay, these are performing very well, and I'm going to work on these or bid a bit more aggressively so that I don't lose out on these better performing ad groups. Now, where is that other slide gone? I think I had in the wrong order. Yeah. Then to save time, you can also save them. You don't have to keep entering them over and over again. So as you can see, I've got some saved filters over here. So you can have saved filters. I mean, the combinations is literally it's only restricted by your imagination, because if whatever you can think of, you can pretty much make a filter for that. So this one, the way I name these filters is conversions are greater than 0 and cost per conversion greater than 300. So let's say I want to find out all my expensive ad groups or keywords or campaigns. I can save a filter like that. All of those will come up on my screen, and then I can work towards it. Then I want to know a bit less expensive ones, so I can have cost per conversion between 200 to 300 or cost per conversion between 100 to 300. So you can save these in, and all you do is when you go into your all filter, you select them, it will pop up straight away. So it will save a bit of time. So this is how you would keep adding them, and I'm going to show you in a bit when we go into the interface. So I've got conversions greater than 0, cost per conversion greater than 200 but less than 300. So that is my filter for my CPA between $200 and $300.